Hey everyone, Thomas here, coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois, 60101, on this gorgeous, beautiful, blue sky, sunny day. I have the privilege of going over my 1961 Chevrolet Corvette Roadster. I was very lucky enough to own this vehicle. I've actually known the previous owner of this car, I would say 20 plus years easily, and he had it restored, and something happened and he called me to make a purchase from him. So I did. So I'm very lucky to have this car in our possession. He didn't restore it to resell it by any means. Unfortunate situations in his life forced him to sell it, and now we're lucky enough to have it. The restoration has about 1,500 miles on it. As you know, the original parts for this car, or for a 61, is very hard to find. So everything on the car is pretty much original, obviously, except the wheels and tires. And then you'll notice the steering wheel is not original. Those things can be found on eBay and other sites if wanted to. I'm selling the car as is condition, and I'm gonna walk around the Corvette and talk a little bit about the imperfections, if any. Okay, please refer to all my photos that will show you a lot of close-ups as well. So again, just a quick walk around on the Corvette, and then I'm going to get a little bit closer. It is a numbers matching car. It's a 327 300 horse 4-barrel original car, in which what it has now. Okay, so we'll move in a little closer to show you. The car has not yet been detailed. Beautiful finish, as you can see throughout. I don't see any imperfections so far, and I will point them out. Beautiful on the driver's side. As you can see, the chrome bumpers are in excellent condition. It's a factory Roman red car. My body man went over it to determine that. Here's your passenger side. Beautiful setup all the way. Okay, I know there's a little blemish there. Okay, but look at that reflection. Beautiful finish on the car. Nice front grille, chrome bumpers, and all the bezels and stainless there. Look at those two bulge lines in the hood. Isn't that freaking cool? Man, I love this stuff. The four lights on these 61s. All right. Windshield is very nice. Here's what the cop window shit. Manually adjusted. Anyway, glass is nice on the car. Trim is really the chrome. Interior is super nice. Jams are nice. Carpets. Again, the aftermarket steering wheel. Not a big fan, but it does go with the car. Shows 57,112 miles. Here's my little punch list on the car, which I will share with you. Let's check out the passenger side now. So as you can see, the outside is excellent. All right, so here's my punch list for the vehicle. It's missing a wiper. No front turn signals. The tach doesn't work. No horn, no wipers. The steering wheel and the clutch are a little sticky. So these are items that I'm gonna go over. Okay, but that's my punch list on the car. Let's oh, my guys are moving some cars around here. Let's pop the hood. So to pop the hood, It's right here, hood release. Okay, and when you do pull it out, make sure you push it back in. Okay. Maybe I didn't do that correctly. Let's try it again. All right. I gotta pull it all the way. Then it works. The engine has been restored. This is the numbers matching motor. As you can see, they spent a lot of time on the detail. Okay, and to close the hood, you have to lift it, pull that towards you, and then down. Okay, and make sure that that hood latch, make sure you push it back in or the hood will not close. Okay. Well, it's time to start it up. Couple pumps. Oh yeah. Let's listen to it. Now I'm going to mount the camera, and my most favorite thing to do is go for test drives. All right, we'll go over that. What a beauty. All right. So reverse, you would have to lift up the T-handle and go all the way to your left and up. There's an shift indicator right on the center floor here. Like I said, the clutch feels a little sticky to me, but if you drive it more than once, twice, then you'll get used to it. I will have my guys go through and see what that's about. I don't think it's supposed to be, you know, I'm very picky, so it could be just me. Transmission feels nice on the car as well. Brakes feel good. Time to get used to the clutch. It's easy. I mean, it's not that difficult. Just got to get used to it. All right. Car does drive nice, though. All right. Speedo does work, fuel gauge does work, temp gauge does work. Seems like the battery voltage does work. I mean, the car always starts. So if you guys need financing, credit score has got to be about 650 to 720. That will get you a loan done with 10% down. And if you're over 720, then no money down. We have some financing options for you guys. If you need delivery, call me, text me with your zip code. Let me see. If you're watching this on YouTube, click the bottom right-hand button, the subscribe button. And if you're watching this on Facebook or on YouTube, or on Facebook, actually like and share the page. Thank you once again for watching MGMClassicCars.com.